What people use them for is always fucking wrong. We had this chat last night. This is what people use them for. Yeah, it doesn't fucking work. So, a good use for an inside leg kick. I'm gonna go lower, or I can go into the inner thigh if I want. It's a nice, sexy spot. Go to the inner thigh, or lower, depending on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to take them off balance and knee them in the face or something, it's a little bit different. But for now, we'll just go to the inside leg. We're aiming just here, guys. Any higher, if anyone's got any sag in their genitals, it's gonna hurt, yeah? So, just at the knee, pull up to the body, yeah? No block. Yeah? Inside leg kick. So, start your stance. Boop, boop, boop. I know where I'm at. I don't need to do this. Boop. Yeah? Kicking straight off of it. You're using the inside leg kick to set up your switch. Boop, boop. Yeah? Everyone got that? I'll show you the southpaw. So, you're orthodox. It's off my lead leg. I'm going to use that same lead leg to set myself up for the right body kick. I'm just going to go straight to the outside of the leg there. It just takes them off balance a little bit. They can't block that body shot then. So you're using it to set up another kick. From here, I go, whoop. Yeah? Everyone got that? So, always end that left kick or your lead leg kick a bit back behind you after you kick. In, up, back, yeah? Then do whatever it takes to get back into your stance. Beautiful, let's go with that, guys. Thank you.